Master Asinine. Boost your IELTS vocabulary score. Imagine confidently using a word that instantly elevates your vocabulary and impresses IELTS examiners. Today, we're exploring the word asinine, a powerful addition to your lexical arsenal for achieving that coveted band score of 9.0. Word type. Asinine is an adjective. It's pronounced sahi, nahin, with the stress on the second syllable. Meaning, asinine describes something extremely foolish, silly, or stupid. It's a strong word that conveys not just a lack of intelligence, but a profound absence of good judgment or sense. Word history. The term asinine has an interesting etymology. It comes from the Latin word asininus, meaning of or related to an ass or donkey. The connection between donkeys and foolishness dates back to ancient times, when these animals were often unfairly stereotyped as stubborn and unintelligent. Antonyms. Some antonyms of asinine include intelligent, wise, sensible, and judicious. These words represent the opposite of the foolishness that asinine implies. Synonyms. If you're looking for similar words, consider using idiotic, absurd, inane, fatuous, or preposterous. Each of these synonyms carries a slightly different connotation, so choose carefully based on your specific context. Examples used in sentences. Let's explore how to use asinine in various contexts. The politician's asinine comment about climate change being a hoax damaged his credibility among environmentally conscious voters. Despite years of research proving otherwise, some people still cling to the asinine belief that the Earth is flat. The company's asinine decision to launch a product without proper market research led to a significant financial loss. Common errors in use. Be cautious when using asinine, as it's a strong and potentially offensive term. It's generally more appropriate in formal or academic contexts rather than casual conversation. Also, avoid confusing it with the noun form asininity, which refers to extreme foolishness or stupidity itself rather than describing something as foolish. To truly master the use of asinine, practice incorporating it into your own sentences. Remember, it's not just about knowing the definition, but understanding the nuances and applying the word effectively in your writing and speaking. By doing so, you'll demonstrate the sophisticated vocabulary control necessary for that top IELTS band score.